Okay, so what you need to know for section 8.8 is that if you want to get rid of the radical, or in this case the square root sign, you need to square it. So if you have the square root of radical 3 squared, then it's just going to be 3. And if you have this, well, you got to distribute that. So it's going to be 5 squared times the square root of 3 squared, which is just going to be 25. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just 3. So the answer to this is 75. So the square root sign and the square, they're inverses. They undo each other. So whenever I have the square root of something and I want to get rid of it, all I have to do is square it. So this one's easy. This is just x, and this one's just going to be x plus 2. I always tell my students it's like kryptonite, right? The square root sign undoes the square, and vice versa. If you have something squared, you take the square root of it. Okay, you try. Okay, so when you're solving equations and they have a square root in it, the way you get rid of that is to square both sides. And the way to get rid of a cubed root is to cube both sides, and so on. So you look at your problem. Here I'm trying to solve for x. So I'm going to have to square this side to get rid of the radical. And if I square that side, I have to square the other side. So what's left over here is x minus 3. And what I get over here is 4. I add the 3, add the 3. And my answer is just x equals 7. So that's pretty basic and easy. Okay, same thing. I have a radical and I have my x's underneath the radical, so I have to square both sides. And when I do that, the square makes the square root go away, and I just get x squared minus 16 equals 9. Add the 16, add the 16, x squared equals 25. And now I have to get rid of square. So this is where I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And the square root is either going to be 5 or negative 5. Okay, here's another example. Just square both sides. The difference here is this is going to be 2 squared times x equals 3 squared times x minus 2. And then you get 4x equals 9, x minus 2. Distribute the 9, 9x minus 18. Subtract 9 from both sides, subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 5x equals negative 18. Divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. X equals 18 over 5. You're done. Okay, last example. Here we have cubed roots. So to get rid of cubed roots, you cube. That's it. So easy. And then they go away. And all you're left with is 2x minus 3 equals 2 minus x. And then you just solve from there. Add x, add x. 3x minus 3 equals 2. Add 3. Add 3. And I have 3x. Come on. Oh, come on. Equals 5. Oh, come on, screen. Equals 5. X equals 5 over 3. So this is all pretty easy.